Hello, I just wanted to do another video, and this is a box that I got a few weeks ago, and this is the Punch, and this is another vintage box. This box is from December 2007, and actually I was kind of disappointed when I got the box because I specifically told the vendor that they should not break the seal or open the box, but when I received the box they actually broken the seal. So yeah, these are the Punch from 2007. I've had one actually, so this is not really an unboxing. And I was actually also disappointed about the condition of some of the cigars. You can see, for example, here there's a tear. So yeah, but the one that I smoked was actually very good, so at the end of the day I'm not all that disappointed. And some people might think that the vintage cigars doesn't really taste any different than newer cigars, but I can promise you that vintage cigars taste way better than newer cigars. The oil is starting to come out, and actually when you smoke the cigar you get this kind of a oily layer on your lips, and when you smoke a new cigar that doesn't happen. So I can just show you the date on it. There it says December 07. And I'm also going to show you something else. I bought a new humidification system. It's not that I don't trust the hygrometers, but I like the reservoirs much better with the fans and everything. So I bought this LV from Adorini, and I'm very happy with it. You can adjust how much humidity you want, plus and minus, and the average of the past 3 days, and the temperature as well. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with this being in my humidor. And just a little heads up, I got plenty of boxes that are special and limited editions that I've ordered. Some of the boxes are very hard to find, so please stay tuned for more special boxes. Bye bye.